Ika gale keto tajine. Kose. Obi aki agonia. Ige lanu suba. Ari zi gbene veri okoso ogo obun gbene. Owa tayari awari ade. Happy to share the video, guys. Share the video. Share the video. Agunwe gwa le keto tajine. Kose. Yen we lanu suba ve to taje la video ni. Ore toge. Ma wa ma. Yen kunwa. Me so wa. I never did fast. Mama. Lanu suba. Yen we to tani. Uwe toge ne buede. Lulu bris. Comment we se kenije. Mana ro enwa uwe ave mu gwe WhatsApp pa. Ave ni huwe mu abasha go conglomerate. Wa begbe bo de. Mama Felicia ibere update we. Yari ewe. We mu problem. Margaret na. Well, yari ewe we. We mu problem. Wait with me, but it's okay. Margaret na. Please you worry you ni wala ke. Yari ewe. Mari we ka megbezo. We ma gwali mo gu. Lare la ni suba no re gbu e ba gun. Na so wa. Lulu Brisi. When they use another person, husband talk to their husband overnight. Or about okay, no what bam say. Anyway, even you only do time agbon. Na so wa o. Awati me. Lare. Even you only one ne obi edopolo yi. Agbon ya gba yo ori ni. Laro obi edopolo. Eni we ni o eni me no we. O bere da one thing ni. Ya lo egbe. O bere da one thing ni. How many of you remember that voice? You well, you know what I hope for your husband. Hello, do I have people in the house? How many people remember that voice? That thing when you hold for Papa while I'm on the street. That thing when you hold for Papa while ya Bele street. Ashawo, ya Bele street. Una no there you were like when she go mad, go street mad, go area wa hole na wo ipere ya fefefe kate ya ni Nigeria. Ime so wa na wo bun won say na ko gun. Aba daze ni Nigeria we prominent people wa kin aka wa ma be video me no dey ade ni a. O ma kan me kan wa o ma so me so wa iju wa na sha wa gba sha gbe mi. No de mi ya jinu wa. No go wa de secret ji. So me so but no so me wayana boa mama we so we kan na izo popo but any here forth because I'm a line winner ne gari o wari no e nebo te water don't pass gari o wa egg no so therefore e gari unu ye ni wa popa one by one according to your heart when wayaro 1 2 3 4 5 6 just say when waya say ika ke Nigeria swen. Aba daze ni mu egbe ene Nigeria. Ika ke ba sun e mi wo no nene mi no dash nu wa ni no ya nwo wa ni nu wa 0 no to 0 no kuba. I will start from that place then back to England. I want wa gere na e ma gbona ni awa mi bi bie ka wa de 200 pound na ye nyu he ni ye mu pa. I will come for you all. I will come for you all. Cause someone who wa ya hin. Fine, wa I mean, I don't know. If you know who I don't know. Lanusuba, Infinity Saga has never for his lifetime been married. Yes. He has never for once proposed to anybody before. So he's not somebody else's husband. He has never been a husband to anybody. So, no matter how you want to twist time, I am here. And if you think, say one thing or the other, now you want to do what you want to do. Monica, you go too bloody. You know, home and abroad, you know. You know. Oh, nobody should call this line. Mommy, oh, in a live video. Oh. Wow. You read that video, enogie. Kai. I am telling you because okay, we bear my career so when I need to get drop pay because do pete maya do we mati where I'm coming for you tonight. I will go back on here, you know see. He only have a child, one beautiful soul, just a child. He has never been married. He was never married. Mona ask Mama Baika. He has never been married. He was never married. He has never paid a bride price. He has never for once paid anybody's bride price. He has never for once paid anybody's bride price. He has never. He's nobody's husband. You know why I can get? Oh, yeah, I can said him. No bell, shawag, mashaway. No, he boo, and you're not one of Belfast. Who Mammy no wa comment you any lulu breeze. O manar when eh? O manar when I mu hey gay WhatsApp on your bomber say. When you want to post send there. I can't send the game Monica video. Why when winner? Monica they sent, yeah they post. Meet me up in a pesho. Okay, I'm one on Wagaka with Monica. Any no, you know, I wagang more joy, who not no ya me. Let me see how she's going to swallow it. Let me see if she can take what she gives to people. Let us see. I bless him. I don't move again me. We man I na bless it. E Mickey Ramera buy me one who again me. You have a tour. So relax. Egg be no jekedere. Abi me nene mi ro egbekedere ade wa relax ahan gbenye e wa atagete nyo ho agbe wa calm down I post e video I send the girl one video ni inaka kosi no I send the girl I send u ka gberi ege be mama na li wori ege ni hu na akwachi eri aya we lulu brizu mana gbeyegbe no ari wopa uhe wa aga isu agbo we WhatsApp no make you now understand better so that you will know where you are coming from. And nobody is safe. Mama save you. The winning equally my mobile women because any condemning element anything. Okonogi etin you where can kuba your de no ike. Urewe bona agbashawo in naira or agbashawo ma pay we naira transfer. We can come on get behind me, you walk off iniquity. Nick Bianiro set them free. See ya boy. Let them go. Let the married ones meet. Let them reconcile with their wives. Let their wife have full control over them. The single ones, free my own, free that one, free her. Somebody else, they're saying as Lulu Breeze, only free operation. But yes, somebody else, man. Go come out, what be you out, or log on another man. But log will not respect it, boy. I greet you, James Harry. When has it when I marry wagbele old picture you I think wa me go waviori wagbele old picture you the picture no ya we marriage wagbele wa cover we wagbele we see we I mean neso wa me picture we muri dan kwa wa me wu e mama is a plan wa mama wa mu won wa mu fi oge wa mu hu e fi ogo ma we wa gun yin enwinu wa ni hin enwinu wa ni hin. If you say he was married, which last time I checked he was not, he's only a baby father. Does that stop anything? You have been fighting this thing. Mabuede, relax. I rush you when no. I did be rush you a cyber space. Oh, we are your shame and disgrace. We must pack her for your face. No mula one. We are big boy. We are you call war. Your shame and disgrace. You know go us. What ye? Don't want to say I know so go buhwe I work buhwe unhoma uhe Monica wa so go wa twari obi edopolo kiye kiwi yoku ashawodan. Don't want to say na don't want mu yo to wa gbe na ya it's your property, it belongs to you. You have to make use of it. Aga igbuwe na imueju egbe ni na ikunju egbe ni we mulawa no ya fun ebodo. No aregbu ehi no anegbo ta wo se ora ju egbe inwine ko we no na gi asi one we uri okoru ga pe madanu inwine go no why ya defiant one make chako business we won degbe wa meet up by all means you have always shortcut to success always and all the time shortcut to success. A woman that can divorce to get there. Yeke order from where see ye passport ya si Morocco ne. You want to have shortcut to success. It does not work that way. You have ruined people's marriages. Or when a marriage was shaky, we break everything, we finish it, throw away the table, throw away. You not get joy from our, so you not feel get joy, you not feel get peace. Anything we concern marriage, hey, go. Oh, bezabaku. Egwa repair a marriage. No, do ata with that camera. Afashero gas, you know, carry Ebola. Afashero gas, you know. If your marriage they shake, they find advice, you go at wari, love it, no be to follow. You are finished, you are gone, you are doomed. You know, can work solo. We don't know why it's doomed. You are doomed. That thing where they give you joy for that your no, please, this one have to calm down. That thing where they give you joy for inside your ass, where she no get, you can't get her. The small problem you can't they say you need mama that for when you don't know. Ma obe we do polo. Oka he we mi no ba ni. Omu wo hu o he we mi no ka fi we re we na fi steady moto. Won no ma fi moto da we moto steady oye na wo to wo boy oka gwa be na go trailer. Oka fi we re ne we o ga minister ku zebude. Oka ike wa pa mi no ba wa we ni we no ni ge na ga he we. Mu wo hu ri yawa yen so awe collabo. Egbe wo we anegbo ta we had that get eri wa ya se wa se. If you know for especially marriage, I tear your or what you for boy. No remedy. No remedy. Or what cool fool. Or what cool you are. Once it comes to marital, whatever. Or say I will condemn you women. Now what because anyway have no conglomerate. You got no here to a supportive no money I back. That thing where you say you go for Papa Wala 2025 now you go talk because nobody ask you these things ever since now. Nobody ask you. Monica this money. My balegbe ye ma bon. My mommy any call no gate war. Yes, so not to add him. Try no yet polo. Our wedding yo won no critical for what you movie and me mappy baby a mappy or four baby or who go aboard that or setting it or what setting gone. Oh, remember that voice. We are going back. We all are going back to the blackboard. Yes, we all are going back to the blackboard. About that, you people should do well and help yourself. Please help me to share this video. No make na see ya po. No wa ka wa ma huru me. And the way we are you guys should go back to the blackboard. Retrieve your step. No wa ye bada vi babare. Cause e kenegi wa na pa gi wa na wu. Ne ki aga gi gwa twari gi areva. Omaro pa wu. Era ne ga ba se do atop pe sa gu ri so di we ye na. Obi ere yira gbon ma wu. Eti wa savage or yira gbon o ma wu. So why here they woo is just going to be a lesson. Why I come out it's better than or don't la there. If a man have seen an error, if you can go to your wife with all sincerity and humility and tell her the gospel truth, she will stand by you till infinity. Because or that form or so anyway. They can manipulate you, anything manipulatable. They get to people at their vulnerable time. They keep you and to seduce you. I was here, we are getting America. No do toasting, no do moving, no mugian. That is how they will keep it and start blackmailing people. My God of heaven, they won't even tempt me. They don't use fine dudes tempt me. They won't tempt me. My sister now waiting for me be that one. They no carry person. Wait, people if I dey see I go they met. Yana mugume. Yana amu akpavio. They no do toasting. Yana ya muwe. Vi anti erege. Va ti ni up na America. Oh, damn it, there you. Ebemeru wa. Yana ya muere. No do spoky me. Why toast any one muhe? Did he tell me show me with that bow? Eri gili wa showing are you for it? Are you sick? Are you sick? No need to move. It was only one person. That's time I agree who is Vienivier? My sister Wama. It's only Vienivier that stood and said, "Emwa we get na ema." But anamiro dejona muhela dianya gbegbe because oluye gbebe sagare. That was the EVA's utterance. A sagare no it change only for, but I own nothing against that girl. That was EVA utterance. And when wow na bam adazokun. Even wow na ma. Even wow again na ma. Because of Infinity Saga. I am coming this evening. I will drop some. No, we jam and oro I carry my makinebo bameme. Wawa ewe. Oh man, oh man, okay, you know to one leg. Ah, we. Who do soon? Who do soon? Apology comes after you are done with yourself. Okay, you allow people to apologize from their hearts. When it's time for apology, it will definitely come. I give on his behalf. Don't worry, just don't worry, relax. You will be fine. While I be here and was say me, back be me over. Don't go fi motor. Done. Ora fi motor. Ora lelu dan lo de ama mosto emi mosto wi o wa na ogo ma wai why? Then you dare comment. Now that comment now you provoke me for your comment section. Lulu breeze. Oh way madam. Ekwe mu we at the me category of power value no more than one more way. Ekwe excuse me ekwe mu we. Woman are your boy and let water who hate him. Your own is just open, it's declare because you people don't like lights. But my like no ma. Wamalake, equal done. Avashawa's wife. Wamalake. I telephone qua. Ah, maybe we there. I telephone qua we are here. I telephone qua Monica. I telephone your dress. I tamu qua the hero. It be a more booby area today. It are be Monica. Mommy, call Jeno Gilavezo. Call J. Happy birthday, Mama. Epa Eddie, social media president, first lady. One barrier. Agbe Monica onpa. Then I talk and finish. Me talk on my phone. Me we boba yemwe. Me petu mu yemwe. Me ye ladies na yemwe. Me gwalu la ka hin yemwe. Eri oti me ikata mu wa siyan yan kun eni siyan. Eri yan wa kun we me mata mu wa na so no de. God de me. Me mata mu wa na so no de. God de me. O de me no we va de no de. Well, God they believe those people for that at your own risk. Go they believe those people at your own risk. Me matter where God they me. What sonny ya? Egbe wa warning for now. But not really tell me ya we be. But when Monica gbele ya ji. Eni awe Monica ni. Ya gbugbe yo hun. Ya gbugbe yo hun. Eri ota lo. Wa say oh. O me yan. Yan igwa cover up. Why is there your age? What's in here? Why don't you tell me Infinity man? Why Tori Monica? If not fake Infinity Saga as they claim, which one could be Percy husband? Well, I want to talk to my husband. If not fake, you people should be wiser than actually and a court now. If not fake Infinity Saga, as they claim, as they talk. If not fake Infinity Saga, how actually they know the family of people where they talk to. She lie a lot. Thank you for reading her body language. When Monica is talking, always look at her body language. When Nemesis is cutting up with her, look at her. Not they look what she talk. Look at her. Because all go okay, no, what view your army. Lanu Subano. Infinity, believe me, has never, for once, been married. They know. Go on, Mama Nelly Black. Go and ask them. He has never, go and ask Mama Bridges of Micah. He has never for once been married. You see there? Don't let them cook case. Only petition. Don't let them cook case for your head. Believe what you want to believe, but I am telling you what I know about these people. They not be my problem. Infinity not be even my problem now. Do you know my major problem now? My major problem is that Monica have that thing. The same thing where you hold for Papa while I will still hold for Infinity. Where that one they hear you and if you don't move when I get Baba. We want say Mama Felicia. That's all. Say mama, we say mama, we gbeni yo, we was over there. Over there, we gbon yo. Ibere cannot gbon you. Please, Asaboro, take me out of your saga. We was only money out to stress that dog. If you are in a battlefield, you can't go for everybody. Know that and no peace. If you hold one, when you hold their head, the rest body go finish now. So we're saying and forget about the rest. She's what I'm now when it when it. No, let what say what get what tori. If you know whether if you know that big ballion anyway, we know ball bagmo, and so no need. But that fake infinity, real infinity, true infinity there be no day. My people, infinity no, infinity no naka. I will not lie. Infinity no sleep with her. No. Infinity, hello, you know they do married woman. If you know you are married, he doesn't go there. Saga. He no sleep with her like body to body. See me, see you. But you see that there are normal thing where she they hold for them. The same thing where she hold for Papa Wala. Who remember that voice? Who? You people should go and dig it out. You Wala! You know what they have for your that same thing where you for Papa Wala. Now you for Infinity. Now you for now you for now you for there. He go bring that thing out. Make she talk the thing where she hold for them. So that peace go there. Area to okay, Infinity saga don't shop your money. Finish all now Lord. When they say Lord, now Lord. Which can no any go get. No you go wagmo. You go get it. Hey, my people. Marigo. I'm not after his money, but I just anyway, not change my topic for now. We are done. What's here with you? What's Infinity? What's there? What's here? Yeah, problem in me. Yeah, problem in me. Oh, my, he must free. He must free. Somebody should please bring that video for me. Let's start from there. Me add omana take you wala tame. Ita me no da yine. Eteru wala me no da yine o. Wani ko ma adota mu wa no da yine. The same to all da yine ani ke kian. Iga shawo. Nene ngo be kun Infinity daji. Unhoni ori so go kono ri la kawe. We ere ro wa gbon ra ya gba e. Oh, when I fake Infinity. Infinity get two for this cyberspace. What's your problem? But that aside, one thing is for sure. Not be saying a two-face. I don't want to talk and be say they defend them. No, let them do it. Do not man. You they feel me so? Now way. They are a bunch of betrayers. They are a bunch of betrayers. So allow them to do what they know how to do best. But they have met their match. Trust me, they have met their match, which is me, and they have to conquer. S is gonna go dirty. It's not already dirty. It's gonna go messy. It's gonna go messy. I beg, me will find that video first. Let's start from there. Joella, you know that for you. You know that thing. She only talk and nobody was interested about waiting really for Eruwala. You see, we are sometimes we should be more calculative. I understand very well, like as in the horse, everybody wants you. No, I don't want you to be like, oh, hey, gagu, hey. No. Pick point things so that you can learn and help yourself. You don't fall victim. Experience, they say, is the greatest teacher. Yes. Okay, you don't just do it like that. Learn. In every saga, learn something. Not they look the drama where they follow saga, they go. Don't be carried away with the drama. No, always calm down. Don't be in a hurry. Just relax and learn. Pick point things out of it. So that was how Eruwala's case came up. That thing, that particular thing we hope for her. We not ask again. We not ask her again. Everybody was this, that. No, we should ask. Hello? We should ask her now. This is the right time. Let me start from there. Because how can a married woman who claims somebody is her godfather, what exactly are you holding for that man? A married man at that. She's into married men, not me. Leave Infinity. I'm gonna not distract me. What are you holding for that person? So she should come up The same thing the wife could not hold, but it's with you in another man's roof. Hello, you heard that thing for long and you did not even allow the wife to know. So what exactly is that thing? Don't be concerned about what do you really hold for that man. You did not hold the thing against him. If you are holding something against somebody, meaning you have one-on-one problem with the person, right? You have beef. No, this time you are not holding beef against him. Rather, you hold it for him. You keep it safe for him. So what exactly is that thing? And is Mr. Dumezedo only the person you are holding something for? We're going to pick it up from there. Continue to lie. Those that have sense, those that know the truth, those that can differentiate light from darkness, they know you and they know what they know. Okay? Continue, Lanusuba. We are here waiting for you while you continue to disgrace yourself at your 40s, while you continue to manipulate who you can, not everybody actually, no problem. As for my dear Infinity, continue. Now your way. Before yesterday, I told them already, maybe they not cut that place, or maybe they're not talking. I told them categorically, I said you are coming for me. Yes, indeed you came. That is you that I know. You are a betrayer. Normal. That will not be fault. Does this stop me from loving you? No, it does not, because you are not in your rightful senses. Yes, but time will tell. It might not be today, it might not be tomorrow. It might not be even this year. It might not be next year. Anywhere you are, you will say, Asaboro, God bless you. No matter the matter, no matter what, God bless you. You will give me my normal apology when the time comes. But for now, I am not urging you, please join Monica. Because your person who don't know ne yakwo, mami kunu viogie ni ne ya wu viogie na kun vitamin na ya gbi na by, because wa affect every 2 minutes. Wa akwo wa ta when ya rush one me obo adal wa nwa me yere wa nwa me yere wa ikere he Facebook emi tenere fa no run wa ima avion wa ya degbeji. Okay, I'm not giving anybody at the moment. I'm not posting any nudity at the moment. Relax. Relax. Okay? Relax. That is the hair is not even my problem for now. My problem is an atrocity. Do you know how many people they held in captive? Yeah, if you don't know my own, I know. That is why I'm different. That is why I'm Asaboro. That is why I'm Efe. I am different. My name is not Atuari. I am Efe. Asaboro. She's Atuari Monica. I'm a Jala. Passport Morocco. Me, I'm different. Okay? So we have to set it so that people will learn. It's not to hurry and post, hurry and post, hurry and if that is what they want, you will just post it. So I will say post it phone. Hey, we get for video. You will make her first before you swear young. You don't just we are posted on my phone, on my phone, Italian, my phone. I posted it. We are going to 3 days. We are there. Who get BP or 250. I get boy. Who get me a ya, who get me a dog, get me my own. A yak bear. Oh, we are. Oh, I love any yak bone in a lone. Oh, where a talafola, or talaphone deleted L, or talaphone la fair disactivated L. I will radio. I be a video. I be a video. God bless you, Paris. I be a video. Who's here? Go chill. Who relax? Who's here? Or you are talking at time where they organ is a sound who were book who will cook in our book with Vieso who do Gilly Moe. Cause it in Yahweh. May Petunua. Hey, no. Pointing and one in an balloon, memory. May one L. May you wagameti L. May Jojo. Me wa we na go we no wa nya me all the ground when ya gwa nwa ni me do wa ga itamane wa ga imu egun me wa sin ya worry every year ga ya every 3 days no 3 hours e glory ate we adogbe be na e glory ate we wa bude be na wa ga imu gun me wa ga itamane I beg. So you should keep it to yourself. Don't do me that favor at all. I know they see ya. It's only when it's being brought to my table. Okay, the only person where they talk to me where they hear I need actually do a video. Get one person that is the only person that is allowed to call me all the way from France, and that one know how to talk to me if they do a video, because if they provoke me, might not go draw better people come from where they see that put my vest now also. God bless you for your support. So calm down. You people should bring that video out. Let's start from there. Let's pick it up from there. We are going back to the blackboard. Hell, because this problem never started one day. No, it is a step by step, it's a gradual process. A whole Monica of what how dare you? What's it going? All the way are cook. Done. All the way total way hey. Epa Eddie. Hey, as a mama called you no gilarism. Oh wait, not be me. Oh, Siena, we no Siena your toy. That one, not be me. And I don't want to say that. A big wow, if I'm on Fiana, one monoto, daddy. Oh, was I say, oh, ah, yeah, I'm well at the way of home. I'm Muneria. What may have none of your function. I greet you, Vera Benjamin. You're so my Asaboro, they talk like this. It's one query. I bet a problem. It's too much. Alone, why do you understand? Why relax? We will get there. So let her rant. Free her. Don't bring a message to me. Don't screenshot anything to me. Leave it there. Anything infinity like, make it write with capital letter for them. Just let him be. That is the way he can exercise his anger. Yes, that is the way he can let peace reign. That is the way he can be free. Just let him be. Okay? Please allow him. Please. Just bypass his message. Don't pass it to me. As a person I love, let him be. That is the only way he can show his support for Monica Atwa. He go be a dokolo ilanu suba. Achagwa machagwa emije kokuba. Nudawe kokuba rigan rek. Origan. I kept it for so long. She no change. She no change. She refused to change. Anywhere she hear my name, now war. I don't like trouble, but when trouble don't dare your door, you don't get choice now. How long will I continue to stay indoor because of that worry? Who does that? Who does that? Amen. That is all I need from you guys now. That is all. Prayer. Pray for me individually, anywhere you are. If you pray for yourself, pray for me. Good prayer. You are selling bruise. I know where you are. Who hey? I'm mugwe. I will mama Nelly mugwe. WhatsApp people. I was chawudan. O se me wokpa go ati emeni na hon sweet so sanya dey that's okay. Now let she yes. Nika why I go my message you I don't like it. No. You know why my message you I don't like it. Why keep any go. Don't send me any rubbish. You have no Monica to be a liar. That is who she is. A change, nothing change. But we are going to sit down calmly, quietly, treat her for cup. Tell her and let her know. She knows. No. If you need to not get my pekos, you not get her. You know, yeah, more any other pekos now forge. Yeah, money today. Ah, she be the say na fake infinity. We ain't gonna be remember. Let them drag themselves come out. Hello. Let them drag their motor. Listen, let me attend to this comment very well. I dey talk on phone anywhere I just reach I dey know. Okay? So I know anything when I do with anybody. Since their claim is a fake infinity. Then he may ya so be fake infinity near do tie. And when I ya so be fake infinity in do tie, allow them tie themselves with problem. They think they are wise. It be a kawa. You people are very good in collabo. God bless you, mama. You people are very good in collabo. No more saga. She's going to, before she pack her load and go, Rajerina. Oh, what question man, this girl walk well, why total more television go when you white is water. Oh, here we are to a can I any lag get to a agbo. A year when we in my home. No fair shako business away me. I have to see you one. Ye fairly. A young a projector. I can show you my disgrace of every cinema. I may I gave. Eriok ya jenego bia dokolo loveti na ma jala no ye be passport ya si Morocco or working go bia otie samoji notin uwa o kuji de jokere wa uwa gbebitan uwa o ara ma so no bi no maro wa uwa aju wa polore fi okie bi na wo we wa obono bi eku we ko gbajo wa emi nu daji neru wa la wa do ta because the same thing nu da neru wa da yin awo dere kia o dero wa o keep a secret dere Achabo when I do it, Buwaragbon. I will on live for King and for Car. Aba chagwa in. Chomi gbowa, camera dan gbowa hun. E you know that you know there, no wo kan man. Dota, ni makegbe Epa Eddie mezedo atok pesa. Nga kevasun. Ni viere free for once. Ni gbe ki viere for once. And I mean every 3 years. I see are every 3 years. Iya must to dinazagba. Ni ke ni mere ake poli aba ko so ye ro pa ti asofa. Wa ni ka form make sense. Oh, why it form make sense? Abde ya bai. Tado ga viegbe, on a be photo na baba na ma ire je we gbe wa wo. E ya be su abo me la ni social media be su e. Ba ya se ma e. Iya ya konsole gbin ya. Iya ya konsole gbin na. O ire almost to dey by me mata mu wa no de. You can't I know almost to dey by. We are tana ma dey by we no over. Na gele don eri yen no your game won. I don't win your game. You people don't know how they work. Wa calculate this yana. Ye mana debe me yana. Ye mana debe. We do polo we ana love it. Ah okay, work here. O be na safeguard me. Oh. Ana, I don't win your gear. Okay, work here, work your gear, work your it's all right, no problem. Wa gin wa gbibe ene gbe agime ya re capital letter wa ya gwa ge ya mene. Me keve mu diaria gbiyan me be mu gbe ni un tan ya kin gbe no fi enwe me fi we no ri do mo e o do mo e o okay we no fi abi ni gon na no ya fi e ba we no bully me they are bullies. They are bullies, professional bullies. Yeah, ga where's a trolley wa see when I bury a trolley e ba bury ni ya you be the corrected re ni. Merci nonsense. Merci nonsense. How dare you? Professional bully. Merci nonsense. May bully me. Now UK here we dey. Merci rubbish. As for the Lenusuba to be continued. Walao. Wait I for Eruwala. Wakaya fiare ni waga don't know you know die in Eruwala. The same thing. I repeat. Without any apology. The same thing, not that Eruwala. Eruwala is not the only victim. No Demijina. Eruwala is not the only married man. No Gwawa keep me na. He get go keeper. He don't keep me about that married men. Only the few ones no my married. I start from infinity. Infinity is not married, has never been married. And the rest and few which I keep for now. I don't share video. I don't share unpa. I don't share or you want me go. O to ni ke ye we wo saloba we said your task we no la wa o ni egbe be so. O ni ogbe me ne because I say wo kan o do amet. O ni ogbe me ne because amanyi we nu ni I set gbuwe amanyi wo me I ti sin me o azuwa. O lu selu no se be dia you selu no 404. Bi akia no gogo. Wage wa ta swituji wage ate na fake infinity. Why what time you are gbe. If you want to know Lenusuba, they don't go anywhere I get be. Come on people face. They don't go any where I get be, where I get body movement or we get me now where I get say where we make sure we ready where sound is okay. E get smarty way. Where Infinity is not a man to have relationship with a man that cannot stand for himself. Why you understand them in a tana? He like in a repeated be because any book be na ata ya do atop pa do mi ameni ke atemi mawa we any book be na to ari yakin. They swore to an oath. Go and watch Mama Eldane's video. They swore to an oath. Mo said there, well, Mama Lely Mugie never WhatsApp. He said make he send the video. When I worry, he said, "Come on, me used to go right and say, I know send down because if I send down for an hour, the power go just regain all the weight we don't lose since. I don't want me regain. I want me be like Messi Johnson. And he go just say, as I was so funny, yeah, go me tiny. Get the kind of disgrace we go they worry you. You the phone when I you talking. If you do your talking, you say Eriota lo. Say Infinity get beautiful wife and children. Eriota lo. No. we finish in a get beautiful wife and children. What do I meji? Okay, no problem. When I don't cook finish because if I lena in leni you what they wanna go understand better. The wife and children we finish to get now go understand better. Then madam this person will come in. This one where he go too long. He go too long go. He go too long. Me on yes no ye okay, you know, we live video. Baby, she will now be invited officially. May we see the wife where Infinity get rubbish people, useless people. It got too long. No, I just tired. I made them look at where. If a settled person is talking, you will not know. If a person is lying, you will not know. You're not supposed to know now. She told I will not let it get to me, and don't bring it to me at all. Don't share any blogger that is against me to me. No, don't want to see it. Don't bring any negative comment to me. I don't want to see it at all. Anything we Infinity like make it do for there for now. Let him support her. Because if you don't support any boom, something too much, he had the shake like elderly person with they care home. If you don't join her now, meaning that he send me, right? You are backing her, right? Okay, fine. You sold us out, right? Yes. And if that one they tell them, say, I know nothing, they not go believe. And of a truth, he knows nothing about this. Bob, you know water. Don't block you now. Go carry on that fake account. May you got to commit. You feel me so? So I get what I told you for now. I will come. I know because I give me a more. I dare Africa second dinner. I lena yene. Ibuede. You know we've had the no day. So my good people. Block this person. What do you expect? All the time I win where? I'm a motion with the senior winner. Okay, okay, see, dinner, yes, near. Oh, yes, near. No, see me. Where am I? I'm a ballet, but do I told you? I'm a way, get it. I'm going to pay you what boom. My people are anything for where you are. Yeah, I live. I live. Don't call the talk rubbish. That is what I need. That's all. Thanks to those that have been praying fervently indoor. But please keep on praying. When it is over, I will come and tell you it is over. Okay? Keep on praying. Keep on praying, yo. And you're not one of them. Jẹ́ kí lè wọ́n wá jẹ́ kí no wá yoko wá wá dé rí ke de wo ki e bu ìwà we afẹ́fẹ́ gan. Then you speak your mind politely. I don't like it. You speak your mind politely because they get more than 3 million fake accounts. Now their work. So I don't know the one you be for yourself. First block you first so that I'll fit talk with you and want to talk. You don't distract me on this mission at all. People have to be set free. People's husbands, the women can die there for all like she say why you cash cruising but the men have to go back to their wives. Their wives are struggling to get attention from their husbands. So they have to be redemption. I bet you think say God will come down by himself. No, so no boy to boy they don't care. Have you asked yourself, like as I said yesterday, why God used a small David take Goliath? Have you asked yourself? Have you ever asked yourself for once? Why this time Moses will be stammerer? Now Jesus said, "Me go Egypt, go tell Pharaoh, say, let my people go." Have you asked yourself for once? Have you asked yourself? No, you haven't. So relax. Relax. Okay? Just relax. So that is for that, my people. This is what I understand. You guys, let us see you all. Bye.